Let's explore this spacious and relaxing home near Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metro Guide Realty, and today we're touring this spacious, centrally located, and modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in a peaceful and exclusive community near Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City. This property has a spacious lot area of 630 square meters with a 550 square meter floor area across 2 levels. It also has a well-planned and well-thought-out design. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's begin with the property's parking area, which can easily accommodate 4 large vehicles. You have access here towards the staff rooms of the property, wherein you have 2 staff rooms, and on the other side, you have access towards the amenity spaces through this service door, and you also have your main door as well. Let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by your receiving area, which is located at the front corner of the property with so much natural light maximizing the morning sun with a sliding door here leading towards the side of the house, which has artificial grass, giving you a relaxing view as well. And from this foyer and receiving space, you have your main living room. From this angle, you can appreciate the modern design of the property with the floating staircase and all that light coming from multiple sides of the room. And you can imagine hosting parties and get-togethers here, and there's more than enough space. And on the other side, you have your dining area. Currently, it's set up to accommodate 10 people, but you can also easily have a large circular table here. You have access to 2 sliding doors leading to the side of the house and 1 towards your patio and relaxing swimming pool area. From this angle, you can appreciate the luxury of having a 630 square meter lot in the middle of the city. You have a 12 by 3 swimming pool, excellent for exercising and for large gatherings as well. You have this view of your modern facade. You have a large outdoor deck which can accommodate tables and chairs. And on the other side, you have artificial grass covering an additional garden area with a nara tree as well. You have access here through a spiral staircase as well, leading towards your primary bedroom. Your first room in the house has access to the pool area, so this would also make for a great den room as well. Now let's head on in. From your swimming pool area, let's quickly explore your modern kitchen. Right after this shoot, we have a quick get-together. That's why you have this delicious food right here. And this also shows that this property is truly built for entertaining. You have this well-designed breakfast nook connected to the main island, and you have a well-equipped space with plenty of ventilation and natural light. In addition, you have a pantry room and access towards an auxiliary kitchen as well. And now let's head on over towards your staircase area. Now before we head on upstairs, I'd like to quickly point out that your grand main door, your door leading towards your garage area, and your powder room door are all designed by talented artist Agi Katipunan. And now let's head on up towards your second level. Let's go. Now for the second level, you have 4 rooms, and we're gonna begin with your entertainment gym room. Now, this can also potentially be a bedroom, but you can see in terms of the setup right now, this is a fantastic space to entertain guests or for your family to just gather with large windows facing the morning sun. In addition, this room also has a large walk-in closet, and check out this feature in the bathroom, which is a sauna, which is conveniently beside your gym room setup. Okay, now let's head on back towards the main hallway. And here we are at your primary bedroom. It's spacious enough to fit even a living room set in the first half of the room. Currently, it's set up with desks here and a massage chair. But of course, there are so many ways you can configure your furniture. You have your primary bed on this side, and of course, your entertainment console here on the other side. And here on the other side of the room, you have another door designed by the artist Agi Katipunan leading towards your primary walk-in closet. And this is such an interesting opening design. The space is large enough to have a lounge chair in the middle, but you can potentially replace this in the future with a storage island as well. And on the other side, you have a dresser space and your primary bathroom. Your primary bathroom is quite spacious with a dual vanity sink space, color branded fixtures, and an alcove bathtub with plenty of natural light, but at the same time, a lot of privacy. You also have indirect lighting giving you a very elegant feel, and you can also access this through another door leading back towards the primary bedroom. And now let's cap off the tour of this room with your balcony space. Your balcony space is large enough to have a table and a couple of chairs, and currently it even has a cold plunge setup and access through a spiral staircase leading towards your garden area at the ground floor. And on the other side, you have a fantastic view of your swimming pool. Thank you for joining us in this tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.